4 o'clock, and I'm expecting the person to come and view it at 4 o'clock. They did text me at 3 o'clock saying, is it alright to come at 4, but I only saw it about 15 minutes ago. So I've texted them back and said, yes, it is. So hopefully they'll be here soon. Anyway, I don't think they're coming that far. Will they have it? What do we think? £2,450 it's up for. I don't haggle. I generally sell them for what they're up for. I set the price at the amount I want, and generally that's what I get for them. So hopefully it will sell, but we will be back a bit later after they've been and find out. So they've been, took them for a little test drive, they liked it, they're going to let me know. So I think they're going to have it. They seem to really like it. It's a father and daughter that came to look at it. So yeah, hopefully they'll buy it. It is a lovely little car. Yeah, to wait and see. So I'm going to park it back out on the road now, and Loopy Harold will be down the drive later on today. So that's Blondie for the time being. I'll let you know as and when, see if it sells. This is Blondie. As you can see with Blondie, we have a cracked badge. Now in the past, I've always taken these off. They've been, even when the bumper isn't on the car, I've taken these off and then put new ones on. Bought second-hand good ones or new ones. But I found a company called SK Graphics on Facebook that does these. Check them out. Front and back gel badges that go over the top of them. I think they're the same. Do they actually? They don't actually look as if they're the same shape, but I guess they are. They must be, because lots of people have bought these, so they must be the right shape. I'm not sure whether they're different or not. Whether a front and a back are different. They look exactly the same. I don't want to stick the wrong one on, obviously. Yeah, they are exactly the same. I thought the badges, this part was different in fronts and backs. So what they do, they give you some instructions. They give you some pre-injection swabs, which are handy if you're going to have your COVID vaccination. Thoroughly clean the surface area, making sure it's super clean, allowed to dry. Use the alcohol wipes provided and give the area a good clean. This will remove all grease and dirt. Use a heat gun on a low setting or a hairdryer and heat up the backing paper. This will allow the badge to become more flexible and soften the adhesive to make more tacky. Heating up the surface you wish to apply will also help. Peel the gel badge from the backing paper. Don't touch the adhesive, and carefully making sure the edges are lined up, apply to the surface. Once the badge is in position, start from the middle and work your way outwards to the edges, rubbing firmly the badge to the surface. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to clean it first with one of these alcohol wipes to make sure it is super clean. And grease free. Let that dry, and then we'll try it, see what it's like. I've never used these before. Lots of people have, and lots of people rave on about how good they are. So I thought, as this has got a cracked badge, rather than spending 15, 20, 30 pounds, even 40 pounds for a new one, sometimes you see them, these are £8 for a set of 2. So it's a no-brainer, really. So I'm just going to let that dry off, get the heat gun out, and then we'll come back. I've already warmed this up there. I thought I'd give it another go. Not too hot. And now peel off the back end. Trying to do it on camera. Peel off the back end. Try not to touch the outside. Line it up. Well. Put it on. There you go. Look at that. Excellent. They look really good, don't they? I know they're not stock, so they're not factory finished, but they're sparkly and they look really nice. Why did my voice go high? What do you reckon? I like that. Green, white and red. A Fiat. Nice and sparkly. They look really good. Really like that. Excellent stuff. We're going to do the same on the back. Right, now we're on the back. Do the same on the back. Give me a little wipe with the alcohol wipe. Let that dry off for a minute. And then we need to, got the heat gun here, warm up the backing. And then we'll warm up the badge again like we did before. Yeah, it's nice and warm. Right, peel off the backing. Again, trying to get your feet, not to get your fingers on the glue. Line them up. Press it down. Excellent. Just get my cloth and give it a really good wipe. They look really nice. I like those. Front and back. What do you think? Look at the sparkle. They are really cool. So they are from a company called SK Graphics. If you search them on Google, you'll find them. They do all sorts of things. They also do, I've got these made as well. Let me show you. Take them out the pack. So these are the little stickers that go onto the key, the remote key. Where are you? If you can see those, Love 500. So I've got my own ones made up. I can't remember how much they were. They were like £4, I think. Maybe £4 for a set of two, and I bought 2 sets just to try them. Also got some Arbath ones as well, because my Arbath key was a third-party key, not a genuine Fiat one. So I've stuck the Arbath logo on it. So I think that really finishes it off nicely. That's really cool. So that's it, Blondie's complete. New badges on, gone over any of the little marks that are on it, clean the windows, giving it a final clean inside. There's a few little drip marks on it, but I'm not going to go over the top. Blacked up the tyres. Yeah, that's it. New badge on the back as well, as you've seen already. It's done. It's all done. That's a bit dirty in there. I'm going to clean that off in there. I don't think, because of the snow when we, not long after we got this, I haven't actually jet washed this at all. I've hosed it down, but I've not jet washed it. Obviously I've washed it as well, but I've not jet washed it. Because normally I would jet wash in those petrol caps, but it's not been done at all. So I'm going to just do that, and I'm going to stick it out on the road, and then later on this afternoon the new owner is coming to pick it up, and we'll go through the figures as well once it's gone. So see you in a bit. So just going through the figures. The car was picked up last night, sorry, yesterday afternoon. I'm just going through the figures now. So the car cost £1,471.60. So that's the hammer price plus all the fees from Copart. £1,471.60. Delivering by Gallon from Roachford was £85. That's my cheapest branch. I bought a headlight repair kit, which was £9.99 for one of those headlights. Set of spark plugs. Actually, I've got the spark plugs down. I didn't actually change the spark plug, so we can zero that. Let's just zero that on my spreadsheet. Remember the aerial, I had to put a new aerial in. That was £24.95. The speedometer, that was £90. New set of number plates, which are more often than not I put a new set of plates on. That was £13.35p. And I used the front panel off of Cooey, so that cost me nothing. I sold the car for £2,450, and I made a profit of £755.11p. Now that ain't bad going, is it? It was, you know, the car was pretty much done in 2 days. Obviously bits and pieces, cleaning, doing the aerial, all of these little extra bits took me a little bit longer, but it was basically less than 2 days work really, and for £755. I remember one thing, no I don't remember, I'm thinking of Project Blondie now. So yeah, so yeah, £2,450 sold for, with a profit of £755. So that was pretty good. So that is the end of Blondie. You will see Blondie no more. Blondie is gone. So I hope you've enjoyed Project Blondie. It wasn't a very long project, but it was great, and it was good to see that you can make decent money out of a, you know, a project that you haven't got to really do very much. It would have cost me about another, what, £60–70 if I'd had to buy a front panel, but I didn't. Even if I had, I still would have made nearly £700 profit. So that is really good news. So if you see some of these bargains out there and there's not much wrong with them, buy them, whether it be a Fiat 500 or anything else. So that's it. That's Project Blondie for you. Thanks for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed the this particular project. There will be more projects to come. Bluey and Lucy Harold are still on the go, so have a look out for those coming up. Please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell to be notified when we upload new content. There'll be another video coming at the weekend, if not before. So until then, stay safe, stay at home, messed it up again, stay well, stay safe, and if you can, stay at home. Thanks for watching. See you later.